The world is moving faster than humans can imagine, and if care isn't taken, one could be left behind in the rush of time, which could be detrimental no matter what field you're in. It's expedient to keep up with the happenings around you, especially where safety is concerned. So if you're a firearm enthusiast or just a citizen who wants to be in the know, we have something that'll interest you. We have a list of handguns to show you, and whether you're new or experienced, you'll find this video helpful, especially if you're looking for a gun to add to your collection. Thanks for clicking on this video. We always review handguns, so please subscribe to our channel if you like more firearm updates and click on the notification bell to never miss a beat. Here are 7 handguns you can't afford to miss. The Sauer P365 is the larger variant of the original P365 pistol designed for concealed carry purposes. With some improvements here and there, the X Macro is suitable for people who find the P365 a little too small but want the compatibility it offers. I personally find the idea of the X Macro a reasonable one in that its larger dimensions, though not too large up to full size, make room for comfortable gripping, supported by its grip module. Its stainless slide and polymer frame allow it to maintain a lightweight that aids effective concealed carry, and its recoil is well contained so that follow-up shots and fast movements are seamless. It's equipped with a 3.1-inch barrel that aids the propulsion of the ammunition released from the 17-round magazine. The Sauer P365 X Macro should be in your collection if you really care about owning reliable pistols that you can boast about to your buddies. This semi-automatic 9mm pistol, the CZ75 SP01, lives up to the standard of the original CZ75 pistol, and if you know anything about CZ pistols, you know that they're in the market to take over the show. The SP01 is the outstanding result of a handgun birthed from CZ's genius collaboration with top competition shooters from around the world. Notice that whenever manufacturers take the time to get feedback from actual shooters before the production of any handgun, the result is always a handgun that not only meets the desires of the shooters, but also raises the company's reputation. Having built on existing standards, CZ made yet another praiseworthy release with the SP01. It features a smooth double-action and single-action trigger, an 18+1 round magazine capacity, a tritium sight, and manual safety, all packed in a high-end material that sustains its usefulness for a very long time. If you haven't found a full-size pistol to end your search for a durable handgun that doesn't become useless the older it gets, consider the Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0. A multi-purpose pistol, the M&P9 M2.0 is a powerful self-defense, home defense, and competition handgun. It's made from durable T9 aluminum material and maintains a proper weight for easy carry and shooting. It's got a 4.2-inch barrel that aids the bullet in taking precise shots, and with its textured grip, you get a firm hold of the gun for maximum effectiveness. It boasts a 17+1 round magazine with easily maneuverable controls. For those who love their handguns, simple yet high-performing, you'll find joy in the shooting experience of the Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0. While some people would rather carry a less popular pistol because they'd have nothing to do with hyped products, others love to be a part of the trend. If that sounds like I'm referring to you, then this is your cue that it's time to purchase a Glock. And what other Glock pistol is perfect to begin with than the Glock 19 Gen 5? Popular for its compatibility, lightweight, and legendary reliability, the Glock 19 is an ideal concealed carry gun that continues to serve as a concrete self-defense pistol for both civilians and citizens. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is chambered in 9mm. It's equipped with a standard 15-round magazine and is hardly reported for jamming. It's a great blend of size, weight, and accuracy. The moment you find yourself doubting the reliability of your handgun, one can almost guess that it's not a Glock. You could experience other common issues with pistols in the Glock, but one thing is certain, its reliability is hardly compromised. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is budget-friendly, which makes it even more interesting. Did you find this video enjoyable? Kindly hit the like button to let us know. Are there any pistols you were hoping to see on the list? After the top 3 are revealed, if you don't find one, simply tell us about it in the comments section and we'll try to do a review on it too. Thanks for your engagement. Now let's move forward. It's no hype that the Walther PDP is a series that no real enthusiast or marksman should be unaware of, but just in case you are, here's some basic information. The Walther PDP is a personal defense pistol with a distinctive performance level. It's chambered in 9mm, and many compact and full-sized versions have emerged over time. Two qualities each one of them has in common are high accuracy and flawless performance. With the Walther PDP compact version, concealed carry doesn't get any easier. Manipulating the handgun as the situation requires is a breeze, and its 15-round magazine provides ample ammunition to manage any and every situation effectively. Controls are ambidextrous, and the trigger is hardly difficult to pull. If you want a personal defense handgun that won't cause you more stress than it's worth, try out the Walther PDP. The FN 509 lineup needs no introduction. This entire FN lineup is high-end, and the compact tactical version is new and improved to cater to concealed carry needs. Proportioned appropriately and designed specifically for recreational purposes, the FN 509 Compact Tactical is also suitable for many other common uses of handguns. Its cold hammer forged barrel is made of stainless steel and is 4.3 inches long. If you're a southpaw in the room yet to find the perfect concealed gun that suits your taste and gets the job done simultaneously, the 509 Compact Tactical should be the next gun to try out. The slide stop lever and magazine release are ambidextrous and easy to use, and along with that, you get a massive 24-round magazine right out of the box. Firepower, accuracy, and reliability are standard benefits you stand to enjoy just by owning the 509 Compact Tactical. The price of $929 for this powerful handgun is a worthy investment that yields returns in many ways. Very few combat pistols are unique and make a name for themselves in the industry. The IWI Jericho 941 is among the few. Introduced by an Israeli manufacturer renowned for creating simple yet reliable and efficient handguns, the IWI Jericho 941 is a combat pistol modeled after the CZ75. What makes this pistol fascinating is the fact that it's built almost to the same standard as the CZ75, and although it's not perfect, it's a worthy replica. Having remarkable shooting accuracy, the IWI Jericho 941 is offered in various calibers, including 9mm, 40 S&W, and 45 ACP. This pistol has all the good qualities you'd expect from a handgun you can be proud of: ambidextrous safety, a splendid double-action and single-action trigger, accessory rail, and a very low recoil. For whatever defense purpose you need, the IWI Jericho 941 has the capacity of 15 rounds, delivers 5 times what you get from some of its counterparts, and is a great addition to any handgun collection. You should really check it out. The X macro wraps up our list. We hope you were greatly informed throughout this video. We have a lot more exclusive content coming your way. If you found this video enjoyable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your opinions on the guns that we review, so do well to engage with us in a polite manner. Thanks a lot for staying tuned till the end. See you in the next one, and bye for now.